Hi guys, welcome back. Thanks for joining if you're new. I'm going to be making something that complements the Wayfair tray that I just made, the gold one with the little balls on top. If you haven't seen it yet, it's the Wayfair, it's on Wayfair, it's the Aga sculptures, and there's a pair, a large and a small. I'm going to put the picture in the corner. And so I'm going to make it with this jar here, which is from Dollarama, the storage jar. And I'm going to obviously not need the top. Small one, I'm going to be using this tea light votive jar. I believe it's from Dollar Tree. And of course, this wire, you've seen me use it. I've gotten it from Amazon. I'll put a link. And this time I'm gonna, the bag that I use, I'll put a link again. It's a different variation of wooden balls from Amazon, and used the larger ones for the tray. And now I'm going with, it's not the smallest size, but it's the one up from there. And it still fits on this wire, so gotta squeeze it a little bit on there, but it does fit. So I'm using, it seems to match the size on the picture, so I'm going to go with this one. So this is from Amazon. And I had this in my stash for other projects. I ordered a while back these test tubes, and it seems that I'm going to need them for this one. In the picture, the stems, you're going to need 2 of these. And then I'm zooming in, and I've got some ideas of how they held all the stems together. So I went in my stash and I found foam egg from Easter. You'll see how I'm going to do that. And 2 of these empty pearl wrap containers here. I'm going to show you how I'm figuring out how it looks like in the picture. And you can use any shears or snippers to cut the wire, but I've been finding it easier with these I got from Dollar Tree. Makes it really easier than the other ones I was using. And I think that's about it. So, oh yes, and I got a big gallon of Elmer's clear glue from Michael's. So you definitely, instead of using resin, I'm going to be using the elmersglue. We're going to do that trick. So stay tuned and let's get DIYing. So I'll be right back.